Hello everyone, welcome to Altai Technologies A660 series product overview. Altai Technologies have a comprehensive product portfolio covering all markets from macrocell, microcell, and picocell access points. We are going to introduce our new product family, the A660 series. Besides access point products, we also offer solutions to cover network management product line, including the Altai Care Mini, Insights, Altai Network Planner, and enterprise switches as well. This is the A660 series outdoor Wi-Fi mesh access point. It is designed for flexible and expandable deployments. With its dual 5 GHz radios, the A660 can form a mesh network to extend coverage without bandwidth degradation. The A660S comes with patented high-gain integrated antenna that allows it to cover up to 600 meters. The A660X supports external antenna, hence allowing a flexible choice of antenna to cater for challenging deployment scenarios. The A660 series is an ideal solution for long-range wireless bridge applications up to 5 kilometers. Built to withstand outdoor harsh environments, the A660 series are weatherproof at IP67. They can be managed by Altai's network management solution, known as the Altai Care and Altai Gate. There are a number of benefits of Altai A660 Mesh. Auto-provisioning. Devices can automatically discover each other and configure themselves to create a seamless network. Self-healing. When a node fails or becomes unreachable, the network can automatically reroute data through alternative paths, maintaining connectivity. Adaptive path selection. The remote node can communicate to find the best path in the network. Any changes in the environment will be adapted to find the shortest path back to the infrastructure. Last but not the least, multiple nodes communicate with each other to extend network coverage and improve reliability. The Altai A660 series has dual 5 GHz radios, allowing it to use different radios to communicate between root node and other mesh nodes simultaneously. As a result, the capacity can remain the same after passing each mesh node as the network size grows, and latency just increases by a little bit after passing each mesh node. In conventional mesh network, each node uses the same radio with the same transmission frequency channel. Capacity will be reduced by half after passing each node. Latency will be doubled as well. Let's take a look at how we can put the A660 series product in different scenarios. Here is a mining site where we have several critical systems relying on a robust and reliable wireless network to send real-time data from heavy machines and equipment back to the control center. These applications include dispatch systems, telemetry, video monitoring, and voice communication. There are two major challenges we always encounter at mining sites. First, the terrain is complex and uneven, which makes it difficult for traditional access points to provide broad and consistent coverage. Second, power availability is often limited. In an open pit mine, it is simply not practical to provide power cables across such an open and rugged area. With the A660, a flexible wireless mesh network can be built that doesn't depend on fixed cabling. The mesh network includes a root node, which is typically placed on tower or buildings at the edge of the site, and we have child nodes on the remote ends to connect with each other and create a mesh network automatically. The A660 can be installed as mesh node on heavy machineries, bulldozers, drilling rigs, allowing machine-to-machine or vehicle-to-vehicle communications, so they can stay connected as they move around the site, providing real-time data communication. Altai also provides back-end equipment to provide a total solution, including PoE switches for field deployment of mesh access points, and enterprise switches at control center. Centralized management of the whole network can be carried out with Altai's WLAN controller, known as the Altai Gate. Here is a construction site scenario where a resilient and reliable wireless network is crucial to provide real-time data from heavy machines and equipment back to the control center, including video surveillance and environmental data collection. The complex terrain and constantly changing environment are major challenges in this kind of scenario. With the A660, a flexible wireless mesh network can be built that doesn't depend on fixed mesh nodes. The mesh network includes a root node, which is typically placed on buildings at the edge of the construction site, and A660 child nodes on the moving machineries to connect with each other. The A660 self-provisioning and self-healing mesh network can adaptively find the shortest path back to the infrastructure. With dual 5 GHz radios design, the A660 series allows mobility and low latency connectivity between machines with minimal throughput degradation when there are multiple mobile mesh nodes operating. The A660 can be installed on machines as a mesh node. It allows machine-to-machine or vehicle-to-vehicle communications so they can stay connected as they move around the site. If you are interested in the A660 series and want to learn more about it, please contact your Altai sales representative or email us to info@altaitechnologies.com. Thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing from you very soon.